Nzama ya Mangavana CoG Niyamuvetanga gavana wa kaunti ya Nyeri Mutahi Kahiga kuma Mwanyani wa Munini wa MWENEKIVILA Itina wa Kwonekana Iyoo Aineenea kwa Ntheko Kukon'ya Kikw'u cha Ulei wa Prime Minister na Mutongoi wa chama cha ODM Mututia Raila Odinga Kahiga kwi Umunthi Niwoosa mwanya kwitia wekio kwa uneni wake na ula wetete muti ya mwingi na ula ndongo isia Ulei isia United Opposition kwa vamwe mevatholana na uneni usuma iweta ni wa kuingianisya NND na uina kiandao na kimwe na ateti Ulei na meenda utongoi wa UDA utongoi ni President William Ruto utongose mustalini wambe Kuma ni ndeto isi ya gavana Kahiga nondo ni memba wa UDA Benjamin Mwaka nuwa kutuambesya vilingi wa maovo.
Kioko tene Mangavana meiko maniti kaloni kimwana kuswane ya yulu wa wailu wa Munini wo dhini wa Nzama ya Mangavana CoG gavana Mutahi Kahiga mwana ni Itina Kwonekana aitata kuthekea Kikw'u cha Mututia Raila Odinga kwiyo unenini wake ulao yukilete muti ya mwingi ikono sionde siande na CoG Itina ni vitukithisye kumvetanga Kahiga mwana ni
We wish to reiterate our deep disappointment on the statements by the governor. We still maintain that these sentiments are his personal remarks that do not reflect or represent the views and the values of the Council of Governors. In view of this, the Council has unanimously agreed to remove His Excellency Kahiga Mutahi from the leadership of the Council as the Vice Chair with immediate effect.
Ateo CoG ende kumbana gavana Kahiga AATA nombasi ya kunaicha mauvo kuicha wekeo na Itina hatangasa kuvetanga utongo ine wa magavana.
From the very onset, I want to sincerely apologize to our mourning nation, to the family of the Right Honorable former Prime Minister Raila Odinga, Mama Aida, her children Rosemary Jr. and Winnie, Honorable Senator Oburu Odinga and Honorable MP Ruth Odinga and other siblings and their larger extended family, the ODM fraternity and the Luo nation and Kenyans at large. And to my colleague leaders from all sides of the political divide for any harm that it has elicited. Let me also make it clear that the remarks I made are my personal views and therefore should in no way be associated with the community's position or any political affiliation, nor the Council of Governors. Finally, in noting the huge public interest that this issue has generated, I am taking responsibility of the real and perceived meaning of my remarks, and as a result, therefore, I have decided that with immediate effect, I am going to step down as the Vice Chair of the Council of Governors.
Yune ni wa gavana Kahiga ni wavuthigwe ateti mulengo ni Ulei nthini wa United Opposition kwisila muneno mukisa kitui meweta kuone kuingianisya NND na itindeto seile kwililwa muteti ona umwe Uleine na yumeenda President William Ruto ose matambya maki miao umowa mumemba nthini wa chama cha UDA kwa kuthivathukani na miao ya chama chake. Vilengo wa mauvu kumava musino ilovi nye nito Benjamin Mwaka.